Oh my gosh. Well, let's open this guy up. Jorgensen's been making stuff a long stinking time. I've been using some of their laser levels and stuff lately. Pretty nice. So this is a 2-in-1 digital tape measure, 16 feet. Yeah! It's rechargeable, so you don't have to always be hunting around for batteries for it. So what do we got here? So we'll turn this guy on. Oh, beep so you know it's on. So 0 feet, 0 inches, full battery. Okay. Change units. Oh, I see. So it's to this end or to the back of the machine from what it appears to be. That's interesting. So we can measure from the back or from just the edge here. All right. Oh man, it'll keep track of the lengths of different sides of a box. So square footage. Oh wow, look at that. It'll keep track of 3 sides of a box if you need it to. That's really handy. Oh, I love this when you pull them out and they stay out. So 1 3/4 inches. Well, so most use these little hash marks internally to figure out how long you are, I'm assuming. That's really handy though. So you get your 1 foot mark, your 30, your 40, your 20, your 10. So these must be your centimeters. And the end of this, which is nice, is magnetic. So we can run this thing out to something magnetized to the end of it. That's nice. It's a magnetic on both sides. That's a really thoughtful idea, have magnets on both sides. But yeah, I do like, just pull it out and know, okay, 9 feet and a 16th. Boy, that's really handy. Responds really quickly too. But I like that when you pull this thing out, it stays out. Yeah, look at this magnet though. Boop. Pretty strong too. I'm going to pick up that screw. Oh, you know how nice that is if you're on top of a ladder and drop something and want to reach down and grab it? That's awesome. Okay, that bolt's probably a little heavy for these little magnets. Nope, it did. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? This thing is so stiff, it held that whole big ass bolt and nut up without bending. That's amazing. This thing's awesome. Just for that alone. Extend it out, see how far away you are, grab the piece of metal, lift it, and this thing doesn't bend. What a good little tape measure. Well, this is my official new tape measure I'm using on everything, just because of that stinking magnet. That is the best idea in the world. But I do like how it does measurements on it too. Great stuff.